The second pillar of a godly, successful marriage, pakisulat sa inyong comment section, is the pillar of purity. So, usapang purity po tayong lahat. Ikalawang pinakamahalagang haligi ng isang matibay, matatag at masayang mag-asawa ay ang pillar ng kasakdalan. Take note, the cornerstone of every successful marriage, purity. No wonder talagang kapag ang mag-asawa ay nagkaroon ng infidelity, nagkaroon ng impurity, nagkaroon ng third party, wasak kagad. Because the pillar or cornerstone of every marriages is purity. Kapag pinag-uusapan natin ang salitang purity in marriage is not an old school. But purity in marriage is God's divine school for forever kind of love. Sa mga millennial, sa panahon natin ngayon, minsan yung purity in marriage ay binabaliwala na nila. Marami ng testing and trial marriages na nasisira at nawawasak. Tandaan po natin ito. Ikaw man ay millennial, ikaw man ay centennial, o ikaw man yung Generation Z, hindi nagbabago ang salita ng Diyos. Kung nais mo ng forever kind of love, kailangan po natin ng purity in marriage. Because purity in marriage is not just an old school. Hindi ito yung lumang pananaw, lumang kasamihan, lumang hindi na laos na yan, hindi na uso yan. Purity in marriage is not an old school. It is God's divine school for forever kind of love relationship.